Hello everyone, I am here to talk to you about greenfield data migration and brownfield data migration. When companies want to implement SAP HANA, there are two main strategies available to them, the greenfield approach and the brownfield approach. With the greenfield approach, companies undertake a completely new installation of the SAP HANA system. On the other hand, in the brownfield approach, the existing processes, data, and individual developments are transferred to the new SAP system. Now, I will tell something details about greenfield approaches. In greenfield approach, stands for a complete new beginning with new start with SAP HANA system. This can be said as complete re-engineering and the possibility of comprehensive simplification of the process. This is based on the latest technological innovations. With this greenfield approach, the implementation is always close to the SAP standard and best practices. On the other hand, if we want to say about brownfield migration, the existing processes, data, and individual development are transferred. Now, it is a point of discussion that which strategies should be followed by a organization uh, 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 to migrate their data. Will they follow greenfield migration system or brownfield migration system? If the pattern of the data of the previous system and upcoming system is identical, they can easily follow brownfield data migration system. And if the data migration risk is low, they can also choose data migration brownfield data migration system. The another factor that is considered while migrating data is cost. If the cost of data migration is too much low, then company can easily brownfield data migration system. Now, in which cases company should choose greenfield data migration system? When there are a lot of differences between before and after data, then companies can easily choose greenfield data migration system because there are a lot of works to do newly in the newly upcoming system. If and another important cost is operational risks. If the operation risk of migrating data from previous to new is highly risky, then there is no option without choosing greenfield data migration system. The another important factor is cost. If the cost of migrating data is too much low, then companies can easily choose greenfield data migration system because it is usually good to be habituated in a new system of data. The expenditure is seen actually as the investment in the future of the business. Uh, Actually, with the transformation of the core areas of the business and the development of new digital business models, then companies should consider the greenfield approach. Now, I will show some differences between greenfield and brownfield data migration in a single overview. The greenfield data migration requires starting afresh, but on the other hand, brownfield migration prevails on existing code. We can choose our technology in greenfield migration because it is completely new. We can choose SAP HANA or we can choose any updated ERP versions of Oracles. But in the brownfield migration, technology is already chosen. Once one formatted data can be easily transferred to the another same type of formatted data. In greenfield migration, we can learn from best ideas, patterns, and techniques. But in the brownfield migration, we require to understand previous developers' code. In greenfield migration, we can learn from mistakes, but in the brownfield migration, we require to live with the mistakes and we can rectify the mistakes by upgrading the data. Thanks, everyone. It has been pleasure being with all of you. Thank all of you for your patience.